Private thoughts. Sound of the police. Head crack, it's the sound of the police. Glock 19 cocked. Enemy combatants looking for Vic to stop and frisk. Humanity compromised. Roll call. Be safe out there. What? Who fears who? War zone. Mindset of the beast patrolling the concrete jungle like a sandstorm from the east. Protect and serve. 911. Preserve for the chosen few. Once upon a time, we looked up to you. We called out to you when the boogeyman whispered in the dark of night. Culture alert. Servant to the people turned authoritarian. Mercenary. Depraved indifference. Manhandlers of injustice permitted by the commission. Some say change comes from the top or from the bottom up. What the hell? Change is the manifestation of change. The call for unequivocal change is like a Molotov cocktail. Comes with excruciating pain. Everyone wants to throw it, but nobody wants to be in front of it. Your voice are heard. Tear it down. Rebuild. We have to own our own reality. I prefer change 2020. Peace and love.